compared to some other brands, you have brands like BMW, the ultimate driving machine, yet they continue to refine out and make some very controversial cars. They continue to refine out their steering feel, their ride dynamics, trying to be too much of a niche, cool product in their marketing and stuff. But then they're trying to market that they're driving machines. Yes, they are definitely fast and they definitely still handle well, but it's the connectedness of being the ultimate driving machine is just a little bit lost on them in their modern products, not talk about their older products. And then you have brands, I love Lexus, I love, some of the Toyota. You have brands like Lexus. They have the F products, which are track capable cars, RCF, ISF, GSF, which a lot of those products don't even exist anymore. They're taking the F Sport brand, and while they're making F Sport performance, like the IS500, which is a very capable car, they're kind of going the same route as M, and they're diluting their brand of performance by putting it on an RX or a TX. Those are very capable cars, but that's not their mission. The RX is not, the RX 500h being, a fast car is not its mission, especially because it doesn't handle very well. So, just adding extra, non-genuine roots to these cars and then trying to market it as something that it's not. Cars, like I've said in the 3-row SUV video, cars have to do everything. And there's nothing wrong with that, but I'm just pointing out that, at least Jeep isn't saying that the Wrangler is meant to be a track capable or, sporty driving car and also go off-road and also, be your daily driver. They know that all of their Wranglers, from the humble 4-cylinder, the plug-in hybrid, all the way up to the 392 Rubicon, all their Wranglers are off-road, and that's what they advertise them for. And I think that's something really nice to be said about Jeep. So, I definitely appreciate their brand mission, and I'll end the video on that, is that I really do appreciate their brand mission. I really do appreciate their styling and just like the ruggedness of their cars. Even if you are just taking it to the mall, it's just nice to see something unique in this space and something that's honest in the space. So